Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading The Lantern House by Erin, Napier, and Adam Trest. Please enjoy. The Lantern House. I am a I am a brand new house, and I glow like a lantern at night. I will keep a family safe from the storms and warm in the winter. I will be home. A couple builds a picket fence around my feet and plants flowers in my yard. They plant one room green. They paint one room green, and I watch them waiting and waiting. One day they will bring home a wiggling, winky baby girl. She learns to play the piano in my living room and chase the dog in my yard. I watch her grow with the pencils marks on the laundry room doorway, and I miss her when she goes to school. She meets a boy who sits with her on my porch and holds her hand while my swing sways them in the summer wind. One day she marries that boy at my fireplace wreath and moves away to a house of her own. The couple is older now. Sometimes the two of them eat dinner on my back porch and dance to the radio in my dining room. But the days are growing quieter and the nights are calm and sleepy. The girl is a mama now and brings her little boy to visit his grandparents, where they teach him how to plant tomatoes and climb the magnolia tree, and how to make biscuits in the old cast iron skillet. My glow is dimmer than it used to be, with only one bedside lamp on in the night. My blue paint is fading, and the picket fence is broken in places, but the woman still slowly sweeps away the fallen leaves. She eats alone now, but I keep her company and I hold her close in the storms. One night the lamp does not come on, and my window stays dark. The mailbox is empty, only the leaves dance now, and the corner of my porch, and the spiders spin like their webs where the girl once slept. Dust collects where the piano once sat. I creak in the winter wind. Sometimes I dream about a family who will love me again. Will I take care of a painter or a trapeze artist, a stargazer, a gardener? What will I become? I am waiting and waiting. One day my front door opens and a family steps quietly inside. A little boy hiding behind his parents' legs. This could be home, they say. They are not afraid of my spiders and broken parts. Though I am dark and empty, they stay with me. They paint me yellow and paint roses along my new picket fence. They wallpaper my walls and sweep the spider webs away. After my family cooks dinner in my kitchen, the father plays guitar and dance. Even though I am old, I can dance too as my floors creak along. When dusk falls, there is light in every room, and I glow like a lantern at night. Smoke rises from my chimney. I am waiting and waiting for the golden sun to wake my family so we can begin another day together. Though I am a very old house, a family is beginning a brand new story here. I will keep them safe from the storms and warm in the winter. I am home. Does your home do that to you guys? Keep you safe and everything? Let me know with a thumbs up if your house does the same thing. Keep you safe from the storms and keep you warm in the winter. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, share it. If you're new and you came along this book reading, hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got. I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one. Take care, everybody.